Okay, our plants came. We ordered some mail order plants from Burpee. So they finally arrived, and I'm getting ready to open these up and put these into the greenhouse until we're ready to plant. So there should be 9 plants in here. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. It's interesting how they package these. We'll have to see which is which. It looks like they're in 3s. There's that one. This one. And this one. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so that is the Super Sauce Hybrid. I need to probably put these in something else. There's not a lot of is watered and put in the greenhouse too. Looks like this is going to be the sweet candy apple peppers. Yeah, that's the basil. Already smells like basil. So that one. Okay, and then open this one next. Okay, looks like we've got the Steakhouse Hybrid. And this is the Great Stuff Sweet Pepper Hybrid. And this is the Super Sweet 100s, which is a cherry tomato. Okay, and the last one. These are the Sweet California Wonders. This is the hot peppercini peppers. And this is the Super Steak Hybrid tomato. All right, so there we go. That's the 9 plants. And I'm gonna get those packed a little bit better with dirt and then put into the greenhouse and watered. Okay, so we'll leave those here in the greenhouse and let those get a little healthier, and then we'll plant those. This flower box here we've used a few times for a few different things. Some years we have just put flowers in it. Other years we put herbs. This year I think we're going to go back to putting herbs in it. So I'm going to move out the stuff that's laying here that's going to actually be going out there and get this rejuvenated. This has got last year's soil in it, so it's depleted. So we need to refresh that and get that ready. Okay, so this bed is now ready. We're going to do herbs in this. We're going to probably do some seeds in this, but then maybe we might plant some of the Oh, okay. Smokey just really likes to be around people, so if we're doing something away from him, he wants to be where we're at. Well, anyway, so what I was saying about this, we're probably going to plant some seeds in this, and maybe even some regular plants that are already started. Some herbs have to be in the shade, so that's usually what we plant in here. That or like something like begonias.